The deadly incident occurred last Thursday, January 20, 2022, when a truck owned by Maxam Ghana Limited conveying explosive allegedly collided with a motorcycle, causing a massive explosion which killed 13 people, injured 179 and destroyed 31 houses. The explosion occurred along Bogoso-Bordier Road in the Prestia-Huni Valley municipality of the Western region. Consequently, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Mr. Samuel Jinapor, has directed the Chief Executive of the Minerals Commission to, with immediate effect, suspend the registration of Maxam Company Limited with the Minerals Commission, thereby precluding the company from manufacture, transportation and or supply of explosive for mining operations.